Are you looking for the best mechanic tool sets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best mechanic tool sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 168-piece mechanic set. This set, plus a few good screwdrivers, should handle a wide variety of automotive, cycling, and home maintenance tasks. The selection of sockets is extensive. Included are 12 open-end wrenches that are useful for tight spots and other places you can't get to with a ratcheting wrench. The supplied Allen keys should handle most cycling needs. I like the robust case, which makes it easy to keep things organized and available when you need them. Up next in the 4th place is the Craftsman 262-piece set. This is a good modern successor to the all-purpose Sears sets that were the first line of defense for so many garage mechanics back in the day. Quality in these Craftsman offerings has definitely rebounded in the past few years, and there's a lot of value on offer here. Even the case shows a lot of original thinking. Do you need all these tools? Well, in most cases it won't hurt to have them. You might want to think about choosing your most used items from this set and put them in a tool roll or smaller box for more frequent use, because the complete set is a bit weighty to carry around. The 3rd product on our list is the EPAuto small drive set. Believe it or not, a pretty significant percentage of automotive and appliance tasks can be handled with a very small socket set. And that's what we have here, at an even smaller cost. It covers a wide range of metric and SAE sizes. Don't look for any frills like narrow angle ratchet heads or magnetic pickup sockets here. This is basic by design, but it can handle a lot of jobs. Second on our list is the GEARWRENCH 20-piece metric and SA. GEARWRENCH was one of the first companies to bring affordable ratcheting wrenches to the general public, and the brand's tools are still among the best. This kit is a remarkable value for the money without shorting the user on performance. The thin open-end heads make it easy to get into tight spots, and the ratchet ends are durable. Feeling flush? Buy a couple of extra GEARWRENCHes individually to cover the sizes that aren't part of this set. Finally, the top product on our list is the Workpro 100-piece household tool set. This is the definition of a just-in-case set, with a little bit of everything that you might need for basic kitchen or home maintenance. Workpro does something interesting here. There are several sockets included, but you'll turn them with a screw handle, not a traditional ratchet. If you find yourself using those sockets more than a few times, consider it a sign that you should supplant this basic kit with a proper ratchet and socket set. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.